Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, madam.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Please tell me about your work experience.
Okay. I'm here in Abu Dhabi. I'm working as a nanny of two kids. I'm 2 years left here.
Okay.
And
What is the nationality of your employer?
the father, my employer in the man, Yemenen, and the girl is the local.
How many members in the family?
Six kids and father and mother.
How
Her
old are your
mother, big mother.
children?
From the start, number one, 9 years old. Number two, 8 years old. Number three, 7 years old. Number four, 3 years old. And the second one, 2 years old. And the last one, 3 months.
Okay. What are your duties and responsibilities while on this job?
Take care of the baby. And sometimes I make a food and clean the house. All of this.
How long did you work with them?
2 years and 3 months.
And why you decided not to renew your contract?
Because I want to
You're looking for?
um, I want to maybe seven. I want seven
Okay.
for 2,000 dirhams.
And,
I want to maybe seven. I want seven
okay.
for 2,000 dirhams.
And what is your favorite task? It is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
Babysitting.
And what type of food can you cook?
Sometimes Arabic food, American food, and Filipino food.
In terms of babysitting, what is your first action when a baby cries out loud?
I carry him or I carry, then I give a food, maybe saying hungry or play with them.
How do you know if the baby is sick?
Maybe I give a first aid, I give a medicine, or sometimes they need take care of.
Okay. And do you consider yourself lucky and why?
I consider I'm lucky because um, I have a baby in the Philippines. That's why I'm here to sacrifice to working here the long way.
Okay. And what are your hobbies?
And hobbies cooking
Okay. How long do you want to work here in UAE for? How many years?
in the UAE.
How many years you want to work?
Um, Maybe 2 years.
Okay. Do you think you would be a good full-time housemate to your new employer?
Um, Maybe because uh, if my new employer is a good and nice to me, I want to stay forever.
Okay. Thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.